Well, one day a fire hazard, the next day a blizzard. Oh, there's probably half a foot on the ground so far. I usually like to sweep all the snow off the archery range, and I think I'm going to forget about that for a while. Wind's kicking up a little bit, and a few birds roaming around. Some squirrels. No squirrels. Oh, mercy my me. Yeah, there's... Take a measurement here. 5 inches of snow, easy. Well, I'll get on out of here in just a little bit of show and tell. Maybe I'll fire up a grill or something later, blow some smoke. You know who, and you know where.